Today you will learn fall apart, fall away, and fall about. These three phrases are often confusing because they may sound similar to students, but they are totally different in meaning. In this video, I'll break down the difference and show you exactly when to use them in sentences using these questions, okay? Let's begin with fall apart, and I'll show you examples from here before we move on to fall away. Okay, use fall apart when referring to something breaking into pieces. Breaking into pieces. So use fall apart to say that something is broken into pieces. Also use it to describe someone's emotional weakness. Emotional weakness. Lastly, use fall apart to talk about something that fails completely. Okay, so when talking about all of these, use fall apart. Now let's look at examples from here. Okay, the first one is number 3. Her old bag is starting to blank, starting to fall apart. This means that the bag is breaking into pieces. The bag is old, so it is starting to fall apart. Next is number 4. He completely blanked after losing his job. Completely fell apart. This has to do with someone's emotion. Emotion. He is emotionally down. That's what the sentence means. Next is number 6. Their friendship began to blank over time. Began to fall apart. What this sentence means is that their friendship began to fail. Or we can say their friendship began to break. Maybe because of quarrel or something, their friendship began to fall apart. The next is number 8. The old building may blank soon. The old building may fall apart soon. What this means is that the old building may break down soon. Break down physically. So the old building, because of age, may break down physically. So we use fall apart. Next is number 10. The team blank because of constant disagreement. The team fell apart because of constant disagreement. What this means is that the team failed. Or we can say the team broke down because of disagreement. Next is number 12. The sweater is so old that it might blank. It might fall apart. This means that it might tear into pieces. Because the sweater is old, it might begin to tear. So we use fall apart. Now let's look at the next one, fall away. What does it mean and when do we use it in a sentence? Of course, it has to do with fall as well. But we use it when talking about something decreasing. When something decreases or disappears. Or something becomes weaker. Now, all of these happen gradually. So when something gradually decreases, disappears, or becomes weaker, we use fall away. So use all of these for fall away. Now let's pick out our examples here for you to know exactly when to use it in a sentence. Okay, the first is number 2. The crowd began to blank after the concert ended. The crowd began to fall away. What this means is that the crowd began to decrease. After the concert, the crowd decreased, so we use fall away. Next is number 5. Interest in the campaign slowly fell away. Now this means that interest in the campaign slowly decreased. So we use fall away for this because the interest is gradually decreasing, slowly falling away. The next is number 9. His confidence started to blank after the defeat, started to fall away. This means that his confidence gradually became weaker. He started losing confidence after the defeat. That's what it means. His confidence started falling away. Next is number 13. Support for the idea began to blank, began to fall away. This means that support for the idea began to decrease or disappear. So if people were supporting the idea, using fall away here shows that the support gradually decreased. The support for the idea began to fall away. Okay, now let's look at the last one, which is fall about. When do we use fall about? We use it in a sentence when talking about someone laughing very hard. Laughing very hard. So when someone is laughing uncontrollably, you can use fall about to describe it. Now let's look at our examples here for you to understand exactly when to use it in a sentence. The first is number 1. We blank laughing when he told the story. We fell about. So using fell about here shows that we laughed uncontrollably when he told the story. This is about laughing very hard. Next is number 7. The children blank laughing at the comedian. Here we are still talking about laughing, so the children fell about laughing at the comedian. So it's about laughing uncontrollably. Next is number 11. Before we answer this one, please, if you enjoyed the lesson or you learned something new, type yes in the comment section. Thank you. The audience blank at the funny performance. Here you can see funny. So it's all about laughing. Something is funny. So we use fall about. The audience fell about at the funny performance. Type yes in the comment section if you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next grammar class.